everybody, I'm Kristy Love, and tonight I am here at the Detroit Sleeves Mixer. I'm about to go in and check out to see what all they got in store. Make sure you guys stay tuned.
Got a whole bunch of young entrepreneurs in the building. Y'all check out these bigger tables over here. We got people selling waist trainers, beat jewel, Detroit sleeves, knockout, chasing gold, Sparkler, beauty products. Y'all all check the tables out. Next, we got my band performing. We go by the name of
We're good.
I am the CEO of Knockout LLC, and Knockout is the brand, the lifestyle brand for women who are avoiding the secluded days. They are the trailblazers for women. They're focused, they're driven, they're beautiful too, but it's all more than just the exterior. So if you want to come check us out, I have t-shirts, snapbacks, crew necks, and then you can grab a card as well to visit the website, place some orders, and I also do blogging every Friday, Knockout Diaries, and it's very, very good advice for women, our knockouts. So thank you.
How y'all doing tonight? Hold on, man. What's going on? This is my man, Ray Steve Mixer. He bringing Detroit together. How y'all doing tonight? Yeah. This is positive. I want to shout out my man here, bro. Acting like that, bro. I want to definitely give a real big thank you to my guy Ray. We've been rocking out since like 18, 17, since we was young, and it's beautiful. Like he brought like a lot of Detroit people together to support their business. Who does that? Like that's real dope. So y'all should definitely thank this man. Support Ray Sleeves as much as possible. We got his Ray Sleeves, the original sweaters at the profit table right here, or the Ray Sleeve table, however you want to put it. But you can definitely get these. How much is it? $20 for the, $25 for the shirt, and $60 for the customs. But we represent Ray Sleeves tonight, and it's also Profit Midwest. It's on Lasher and Grand River. So if you guys have clothing brands, come out to Profit Boat Studio and do a pop-up shop. We support all local brands. Or if you have any fashion ideas, we support you. So one time for Ray Sleeves.
She said she's a veteran.
Your fashion and receipt tonight, you can also right there. We have backgrounds to also help you, they help you see the pictures off your waist. Remember where they were from check it out. Take one of those seconds.
We live in Detroit in the top 5, the highest crime rate. So everybody appreciates our taser. And we got a combo kit also. Raffle tickets are $1 or $5.
Make some noise. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Y'all having a good time. Okay. Shouts out to Rob, the bartender.
Hi everybody, what's up? Yeah, so my name is Scott Gordon. You can find me on the internet like Wu-Tang_Scott. But yeah, most of my pieces is like normally social pieces, you know what I'm saying? I like to stay within relevancy. And like the piece Platano, it's like because I'm the banana band for one. And two, it's like it's bringing life, you know what I'm saying? Bananas bring life, it brings nutrients, you know what I'm saying? It gives back to us, you know? And my piece with Bill Cosby, you know, it came to me like, this is like Black conspiracy, you know what I'm saying? They call it the Bill Cosby. To me, I feel like he's still my hero. You know, peace with you. Peace with you. But yeah, the rest of the pieces, they was kind of like more in my head, you know, with the Monsters Love fan. That piece with the guys hugging each other, it's like we're all monsters, we're all different monsters, so you should love your fan, you know? It's all about peace and love, spread it. And what else I did? Oh yeah, then there's a piece of me looking like Beavis and Butthead, that's other shit. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. I hope everybody enjoyed the pieces, you know, I'm happy everybody came up, clapped it up for New Detroit, you know what I'm saying? It's all about love out here. Everybody, peace and love to y'all. Wu-Tang_Scott.
This is one of the best makeup artists in the city, man. Give her a hand, man.
My name is Taylor. Been in Detroit my whole life. Started doing makeup when I was like 18 years old. I went away to Saginaw Valley. I was studying to become a high school teacher. Then one day, I guess I did my makeup real crazy. Like if somebody came up to me and asked me to do their makeup, ended up doing makeup with drag queens. And then I came home to Detroit. Kept my dream with me. So, my bad. So I came back, started to make a name for myself. I linked up with a company called Fantastic Faces. When I linked up with them, she really started getting me into the fashion show. And that's
I said I come through riding that space. This is lazy seat back, got your boy looking lazy. Blowing purple hazes, got my eyes looking Asian. Fast shorty shoddy and lazy, watch it blazing. Ride through the city like a baby, full of amazing. Like my pasta Cajun, sneaking 1050 with the fishes on the cages. Nigga for that cake, I be crazy. The money still running and I'm raising. Way up, I feel blessed. I'm way up, I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed. I'm way up, I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed. I'm way up,
My name is Fresh or Mr. Fresh.
I'm Juice.
JT.
Marked up.
How y'all doing tonight? So what you just seen is Prophet Vogue Studio current collection. We go all over America. As a team, we travel all over America to find the different brands We go to New York, we go to LA, we go to Arizona, we go all through America to find these clothes to bring to Detroit. And also we work with various Detroit local designers. We're the only store in Detroit that's pushing local designers, helping them with manufacturing, helping them get price points, helping them with every aspect of fashion. We just want everybody to come and support our stores on Lobster and Grand River. If you guys know somebody who have a dream with fashion, send them to us. We'll do something with them. If somebody want to intern for us, we'll do something with you. If you got any idea, anything creatively, any way we can help you, let us know. And we just, pushing forward Detroit fashion. Detroit is the flyest in the Midwest, right? I mean, everybody got dressed up, everybody looks nice, right? So we gotta hold it down for the Midwest, we gotta hold it down for America. We the freshest off top. And we're gonna continue to bring that. So our table is over here, the Prophet table, and we got race sleeves, clothes. Come support this guy, man. Come buy some sweaters, buy some of his clothes. He gave a lot of opportunity to everybody, so just come out. And we thank you guys. Prophet, make it excellent to have it. Thank you.